Hello and welcome to this session on contributions of great educators, John Dewey. Education is a pragmatic process of learning that helps to enrich an individual with knowledge. It enlightens a person regarding the various aspects of his life and the surrounding environment. It makes him capable to face the challenges of life and overcome them in a dignified manner. The world has been witness to the emergence of great educational reformers at various points of time. These educationists have made major contributions in the field of education and have introduced new ideas and philosophies of education. They have created a deep impact on the way people approach a problem and look for solutions. One such educational reformer is John Dewey. He made significant contributions towards modern educational theory and practices. In this unit, we will learn about the life of John Dewey and his educational philosophy. We will also know about the various functions of education as described by him. We will analyze his contributions to modern education and know about the criticism faced by his educational ideas. The life and work of John Dewey, 1859 to 1952. John Dewey is regarded as one of the greatest educational reformers of the 20th century. He was an American philosopher and intellectual whose contribution to education is acknowledged throughout the world. He was a pragmatic thinker who laid emphasis on the practical aspects of education. Besides being an educator of great repute and an advocate of progressive education, he was also one of the founders of functional psychology. He was a prolific writer who wrote a number of books and articles on a wide variety of subjects and topics. His writings on education had earned him maximum recognition from around the whole world. His contributions of modern educational theory are highly relevant even in today's age and time. John Dewey was born in the year 1859 at Burlington in Vermont, a town in the New England region in the northeastern part of United States of America. He was born into an ordinary family of modest means and his father was a shopkeeper. John grew up in the rural environment and received his primary education at his native place. He was a bright child who liked to participate in the discussions that took place at his father's shop. He detested the traditional methods of schooling. He graduated from the University of Vermont in 1879. He went on to complete his PhD degree in philosophy from Johns Hopkins University in 1884. He took up the position of lecturer in the Department of Philosophy in Minnesota, Michigan and Chicago universities. It was during that period of his association with the University of Chicago that he became associated with the then recently evolving philosophy of pragmatism. In the year 1886, he found his experimental school known as the University of Chicago Laboratory School. He established the school with the aim to practice his belief that education could integrate learning with experience. He tested and experimented all his concepts and notions on education at the school. He reviewed and modified his concepts and theories of education based on the practical experience derived from running the school. His ideas deeply influenced the American system of education. He gained worldwide fame due to his experimental school. In 1904, he joined the Columbia University in New York as the head of the Department of Education and Philosophy. During his association with the Columbia University, he received invitation from various countries spread across the world. He was invited by countries like Russia, Japan, Turkey and China among others to suggest ideas and ways for the organization of education in such countries. He delivered a lecture on education and philosophy at the University of Peking. He visited the Imperial University of Tokyo in 1919 to deliver a series of lectures there. These lectures were later published in the form of a book titled reconstruction in philosophy. Apart from being a scholar and a prominent thinker, John Dewey was also a talented writer. He is known to have penned around 50 books and more than 800 articles on various subjects that included education, politics, sociology and philosophy. He regularly contributed articles to a number of educational journals and magazines. He was influenced by the ideas of several thinkers and philosophers like George William Friedrich Hegel, William James and Herbert Spencer. After making immense contribution to the field of progressive education, the great philosopher passed away in 1952. Meaning of education according to John Dewey. John Dewey defined education as the continuous reconstruction or reorganization of experience which adds to the meaning of experience and which increases ability to deduct the course of subsequent experience. According to John Dewey, education is the development of all those capacities in the individual which will enable him to control his environment and fulfill his responsibilities. Educational philosophy of John Dewey. John Dewey was influenced by Charles Darwin and he based his educational philosophy on the evolutionary concepts of Darwin and pragmatism. His educational ideology was also influenced by the Industrial Revolution, the change of population and the speedy progress of the machine era. According to Dewey, the educative process consists of two sides, psychological and sociological. He believed that these two educative processes were integral to education and the objective of education was impossible to attain in their absence. For the psychological side of education, Dewey says, education must begin with a psychological insight into child's capacities, interests and habits. He was of the opinion that the psychological side is the starting point and the basis of all education. He believed that it was important to understand the psychology of the child in terms of his interests, attitude, instincts, aptitude and inclinations. For the sociological side of education, Dewey says, true education comes through the stimulation of the child's powers by the demands of social situations in which he finds himself. The sociological side is the social environment in which the child takes birth, lives and grows up in the society. Dewey believed that education means progress for the individual in particular and the society in general. John Dewey's educational philosophy is known by several terms such as experimentalism, instrumentalism, practicalism, functionalism, pragmatism, operationalism and progressivism. Pragmatism. At the core of John Dewey's educational philosophy is a pragmatic attitude that relies on experience. Dewey tested all ideas and hypotheses to realize how they worked and what were the consequences. He was of the opinion that educational experiences must be measured on the basis of their extent to which they cater to the real need of the society and the individuals. He gave importance to the results if they were useful for the society, else he rejected the results. Social usefulness. John Dewey was of the opinion that school is a small version of the society itself. Therefore, it was necessary to consider the requirements of the society. He considered that school turns into a natural part of the society if it imitates the natural inclinations and actions of the child. He opined that school must liberate society from ills and evils. Social discipline. John Dewey believed that school discipline was the way to develop and nurture social attitudes, manners and ways of conduct in the children through the various activities carried out in the school. Social change. John Dewey was of the opinion that social change is a normal and natural phenomenon. Nothing is constant and everything changes with time. As such, society cannot remain constant for a long duration of time. This results in the change in education according to the changes in the needs of the society. Self experience. John Dewey believed in experimentations. He was an experimentalist who wanted every idea or notion to be tested before being accepted. As such, he insisted that a child must follow the path of reflective inquiry and experimentation in order to arrive at the truth. He believed that whatever is true is useful. Child centeredness. According to Dewey, education must focus on the child. It is necessary for education to be child centered, so that every child can enjoy the full prospect and liberty to nurture himself as per his needs, ability and interest. Universal education. John Dewey believed that education was integral to the growth of individual personality. That is why it must not be confined to any particular segment of the society. Each individual must receive equal opportunity to cultivate his personality through the means of education. To fulfill this purpose, education must be promoted at the universal level and made available to each and everybody. Relation between education and society. Education enables an individual to cultivate himself as a good citizen. It helps an individual to think and respond in various complex situations and interactions. As such, a school is considered to be a mini version of a society. Education paves the way for proper growth of the individual that will later help him to fulfill social responsibilities in his life. Education based on scientific method. Science and scientific methods were integral to John Dewey's educational philosophy. He was of the opinion that knowledge is vital for experimentation and experience leads an individual to think. As such, it is the education of by and for experience that leads to experimental ways of teaching and imparting knowledge. Democracy is the philosophy of education. According to Dewey, democracy is the philosophy of education at the political and moral levels. He believed that the man-made barriers of caste, creed, color, language, religion, etc. can be overcome by education. To cultivate and nurture democratic values, it is important for education to break such restrictions. Thus, education paves the way for a peaceful and happy world. Functions of education. John Dewey was intrigued by the relationship that exists between an individual and the society. He considered education to be a social function. He was of the opinion that the main objective of education was to release the human potential for growth. He believed in growth through freedom, creativity and communication. John Dewey expressed that education plays a crucial role in an individual's life. He described the functions of education in the following ways. Education is growth. According to Dewey, the main function of education is the growth of the individual. He was of the view that this growth must be focused towards attaining an appropriate and desired objective. He observed that education is an endless process. As per his view, the process of education is a continuous process of adjustment, having as its aim at every stage an added capacity of growth. This leads to the idea that the goal of educational effort is to enable an individual's growth of personality. It is the responsibility of the teacher to encourage a child to realize and believe his instincts and nurture his capabilities. The teacher must provide the child an environment of opportunity and challenge that will inspire the child to think and discover solutions. This helps to develop the thinking capacity of the child and contributes to the growth of his mind. Education is life. John Dewey believed that education is not a part of life, but the education itself is life. In his opinion, school is an extension of home. School is the place where students gain knowledge about how to face problems in life. School prepares children to be helpful towards all and actively participate in community life. School is the ground where children can acquire various experiences which will enrich their life. Thus, School becomes a place where students gain life experiences through the medium of education. Education develops social efficiency. John Dewey was of the view that development of social efficiency is an important function of education. Education helps to nurture the social aspect in a child. He stressed on the importance of education while dealing in a social medium. According to him, every person is a social being whose knowledge, strength, experiences, contact and attitude are drawn from a social medium. Education is the learning process through which he develops his social skills and cultivates social virtues. Education makes a child aware of his social obligation and helps him to develop the efficiency to adjust in varied social environments. Thus, education teaches a child to progress at the individual level as well as the social level. Education reconstructs experiences. John Dewey strongly believed that knowledge is intrinsically related to experience. Experience allows an individual to gain knowledge. According to him, education is the process that reconstructs experiences so that an individual can derive social value from it. Experiences are like a chain of events, where one experience leads to other new experiences. Each experience can lead to the alteration or dismissal of the prior experience. This continuous chain of experiences is the process through which an individual can grow at the mental, social, physical and moral level. One of the most vital functions of education is the progressive development of the child in terms of his experiences and augmentation of his abilities. Thus, the function of education is to create the environments that are appropriate for the development of continuity of experiences. Experience is the major aspect for enhancement of knowledge and modification of a child's behavior and conduct towards others. Contributions of John Dewey to modern education. John Dewey was an eminent thinker, philosopher and educationist who developed and endorsed the experimental education strategy. He was a pragmatic educationist who developed a method for systematic treatment of education and philosophy. His educational philosophy made a significant impact on modern educational theory and practices. His contribution to modern education can be expressed as follows. Impact on democracy in education. One of the major contributions of John Dewey to education is to specify the cultivation of democratic values as a significant aim of education. He also inculcated social responsibilities as a major objective of education. He stressed on the importance of nurturing these qualities in the child through the medium of education. He said that democracy is the weapon that has the power to destroy all kinds of barriers existing between individuals, communities and nations. He stated that democracy stands for free and compulsory education throughout the world. His notions gained widespread recognition across the world. Even in India, the concept of free and compulsory education for children below 14 years of age can be traced back to the educational philosophies of John Dewey. Impact on curricula. John Dewey introduced the idea of experience centered curriculum for education. He based his idea of curriculum on the abilities, interests, requirements and inclinations of the child. His concepts and observations on education resulted in the introduction of skill subjects in the modern curriculum. He also specified the importance of games in the curriculum. Impact on methods of teaching. John Dewey's ideas on education impacted even the methods through which knowledge was imparted to the children. Even today, the impact of his ideas on methods of teaching is widely recognized. He experimented with several notions before recommending the problem solving method, the project method and the experimental method of education. Such methods of imparting education have been very significant in the development of practices and techniques for modern education. Impact on project method. The project method was recommended by John Dewey to encourage children to learn through their own efforts and experiences. This method was derived from Dewey's educational philosophy. The basis of this method is that learning must be accomplished by self-doing and experiencing by students. This method has gained worldwide recognition and acceptance. It has been adopted by modern educationists from across the world and has implemented this method in schools and colleges spread around the whole world. Impact on sociological and psychological aspects of education. John Dewey made profound impact on the psychological and sociological aspects of education. He was instrumental in establishing an organic relationship between the individual and the society. This relationship formed the foundation for democratic qualities in education. As a result of his ideas, education became popular as a social medium and schools came to be regarded as social institutions where children are taught to be amiable and social. Impact on discipline. John Dewey believed on the power of discipline. He stressed that self-discipline and social discipline were integral to education. He opined that social discipline can be nurtured in children through creative activities and democratic values. He believed that schools are miniature versions of the society and an extension of home. As such, he stressed on the importance of social activities in school. This step was a major influence on the modern educational system. Impact on modern thoughts. John Dewey was a believer in the scientific way of thinking. According to his philosophy, education itself is life. This idea has given a new direction to the progressive modern education. John Dewey has left his impression and impact on all aspects of education that he touched. His highly realistic ideas on educational philosophy have found acceptance throughout the world of education. Criticism of educational philosophy of John Dewey. It is a widely accepted fact that John Dewey has made profound impact on the world of education. Yet, his educational philosophy is not free from criticism. His educational policy has been criticized on the basis of the following points. John Dewey's educational philosophy is devoid of any spiritual values. John Dewey did not identify any clear aim of education. He stressed on the point that the only aim of education is to have more education. He attached maximum importance on the aspects of practice and practicalism. His philosophy of education relied heavily on experimental method. The project method emphasized by John Dewey is not suitable for each and every situation. Moreover, it is an expensive method. His educational philosophy increased the responsibility of the teacher significantly. John Dewey stressed on catering to the present needs of children while ignoring the future needs. He emphasized on the importance of self-experience while ignoring the experience gained by others. Let me summarize the session. John Dewey's educational philosophy gave a new direction to modern education. His ideas on education were widely appreciated across the world. He mainly stressed on the importance of original thinking and experimentation of every idea and theory in education. He believed that there exists a deep relationship between the individual and the society. He based his educational philosophy on scientific method. He also emphasized that nurturing of democratic values was an essential part of education. His revolutionary thoughts brought about profound changes in the modern educational theory and practices. His ideas have been a source of inspiration in the educational world for more than 5 decades. Due to his profound contribution in the field of education and philosophy, John Dewey is considered to be one of the most eminent educationists of the world. Now, you can try to answer the questions given here. Describe the psychological and sociological sides of education as expressed by John Dewey. According to John Dewey, education is growth. Explain. Describe Dewey's contribution to democracy in education. Discuss how education reconstructs experiences. State 5 points of criticism for the educational philosophy put forward by John Dewey. Now, you can refer the books given here for further understanding. Theory and Principles of Education, written by Rather A. and published by Discovery Publishing House, New Delhi in the year 2004. A Comprehensive Study of Education, written by Samuel R.S. and published by PHI Learning Private Limited, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this program. We can meet again with another topic. Till then, take care.